Hello friends, welcome to Way to Success. And now today we discuss about kinematic pair and constant motion. These are very important topics of theory of machine. Let's go to discuss about these topics. So first of all, we have to understand about the definition of kinematic pair. That is the two links or elements of a machine when in when in contact with each other are said to form a pair if the relative motion between them um, completely or successfully constant. The pair is called kinematic pair. Actually constant means it has a definite direction. Okay, so and if we have two bar and these two bars have a link with a link, they joint with a link. Suppose it's a bar and this is another bar, they are linked each other with a joint. This is called a pair. But if this pair has a constant motion, it's called a kinematic pair. Okay. Constant motion means it has a definite motion. It has a this type of definite motion. This is called kinematic pair. Okay. Now constant motion. First, types of constant motion. Three types of constant motion exist in our mechanics. First is completely constant motion. Secondly, incompletely constant motion, and third is successfully constant motion. Completely constant motion. What is completely constant motion? Completely constant motion is when the motion between a pair is limited to a definite direction irrespective of the direction of force applied. Then the motion is said to be a completely constant motion. Okay. If we consider this diagram, this figure, this is a disc. This is a disc, square disc, and this is a square bar. This square bar is penetrated in this square disc. Okay. And this square bar is it can be it can be reciprocate through this square hole. Okay. It has a motion, it has a motion that is reciprocating motion. Okay. Without reciprocating motion, there are there will be there are there is not possible to give any other motion. This type of mechanism is called completely constant motion. Okay. Next is incompletely constant motion. Incompletely constant motion means there will be more than one direction of motion. That will be called incompletely constant motion. Like here is a round bar and it is penetrated through a round hole in a square disc. It can be reciprocate and also it can be rotate. So we can get two types of motion. One is rotational motion and another is reciprocating motion. So we can get two types of motion in this figure, in this diagram. So this diagram is incompletely constant motion. Okay. And such these mechanisms will be incompletely constant motion. Okay. Next is successfully constant motion. Suppose this is a shaft and this shaft is flowed by a bearing, and this shaft has a rotational motion. So when it will be rotate, then it have a it will be tended to move up. Okay. But if there will be, so if there is a tendency to go to move up, so it's example of incompletely constant motion. But but a load is situated on the shaft, then the shaft cannot go up. Okay. Then it will be a successfully constant motion. Okay. May this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, you can share this video, and of course subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.